What's up, guys? It is Jordan back here from Monster Motoring. Butchered that intro. We're back at the garage for the first time in like a month because there's been snow up here that we just couldn't even make it. We're just inspecting all the cars, and as you can see, both Miatas have a Miata level of snow next to it. So interesting, but really interested honestly to see the BMW because we haven't even worked on that thing, and we haven't worked on it at all actually. We just took some stuff off, but where's the water inside of here?
It's on the seat,
Okay. It's not bad in there. Yeah, so this thing's probably just getting a rotary spot. We're thinking to sell it, but I don't think it's a good time to sell Miatas right now. Then we got this thing.
Look at the window.
Yeah, because it doesn't go down for
It's like not even inside the seal.
yeah, it has to slide down in order to go inside the seal and then slide back up. Look bad in there?
Nah, it's actually pretty clean.
Any water on the other side? You remember, guys, this thing had a leak on the passenger side window. Well, not a leak. It's more like the window just wouldn't go up because the battery wasn't connected. But oh man, this thing needs a wash. Both of these need a wash. Actually, let's check if the motor is still inside of. Huh. They probably moved it up a little bit, if anything. I wouldn't imagine there's anything to take off of this. So.
Exactly. Guys, you need to wash your hands. It's actually clean.
Yeah. It actually, there's no water in here, no snow or anything. I'm actually really surprised. This thing tried to kill me. I'm actually really surprised that there's nothing. Oh my god. How to ruin a BMW 101. First thing you do, get some water, throw it in every part of the electronics that you can. Oh my god. Jeez. Door still shuts. Those doors are heavy. We gotta gut those.
Engine's so good. Anybody want it?
Engine, yeah. Honestly, the engine runs just not well. If you want this engine, just contact us in comments or DMs or whatever, because we don't want it anymore. Please get rid of it. But
we get a spray protective over.
Yeah. It's rusting up a little bit, right? The surface.
A lot. Like look right, it's cracking. Like right in this area.
Yeah. All right, we can. We can do that. Good for now, though.
Cause the thing's been sitting.
It's been sitting outside just regularly.
Yeah, we spray it with something.
Is there a black protector?
I wonder if we put like some type of like extra coating on it to like make it like a glue spray or something.
I know you can do there's bed liner too.
Oh, okay.
We can spray the whole thing with bed. Once the engine's out, we can paint the whole engine back.
But I want to do something like soon with this stuff. Like
oh yeah. You can
like,
get spray paint.
Spray it with like rust-free stuff.
He probably has it in there.
Yeah.
So. Yeah, but guys, so what happened is, my brother found it's pretty much an air compressor, 20-gallon air compressor, for sale for some ridiculous price. So, I got it, and we're gonna take it out from there and put it in there. So, finally have a real air compressor and real impact for us to actually start working on the cars. It's magnets.
Oh, nice.
Yep. So at 60 miles an hour, you said it starts to get. I'll try and put it on Alexis. You want to step in there? That's it. Trip on a factory, fall on the heater. All right, so we have the Campbell and Hausfeld. Whatever, it's a 20-gallon air compressor. For the price we got it for, it's like it was a ridiculous deal. So figure might as well. Let's tear that off of there. This here, and let's try and open this up. Oh. All right, what are we looking at? Oilless, which is. I don't even know if that's good enough, but you don't get instructions. These are the wheels. God, feel how heavy that is.
Damn.
Goodness. These are like pure rubber wheels or something.
Hey, license is doing these.
Yeah. There's the unit. Silica gel there.
Put it on the ground, slide it out.
Or we could open the bottom of the box while it's on the ground.
Yeah.
You want to put that back in there? That way it doesn't move around. He broke the whole thing. Alright, close that. Alright, I'll flip it this way. Get that screwdriver and that dexterity right there. Now, close this back. Oh wait, we gotta flip it open while it's. How are we gonna do that one?
Oh my, I'm breaking.
Now, lift it back up. Take off the top. And lift the whole thing up.
Here, come back.
Yep. Put that off to the side later. Jeez. There's the air compressor. It's actually much bigger than the one that we actually never had, so it's perfect.
Now a word from our sponsors.
What's up, 2J Swap TikTok? I'm not Lewis. What am I doing here? Jordan from Monster Motoring here, and I realized I haven't shown any of you guys any of the projects that we're working on. So I figured I'd show you the current one we're working on, because I'm not gonna talk about the wide body IS300 yet. All right, so first up, reason why I said 2J Swap TikTok is because we have a 2JZ here, and it's been a project. We're currently swapping GT built-in turtles inside of it with HB mods. These things are like really heavy duty, but the biggest part of it is the 72mm turbo. See how big that is? That thing's going on that, but it's not going in the IS300. Like I said, I'll show you what it's going in. So like I said, it's not going in the IS300. We'll just walk past our two Miatas over here. So we're gonna be swapping the 2J inside this. This is our 2004 E46 325 BMW. TikTok, show everyone this video so that we can actually go and swap these and get supported, because we're doing crazy stuff here.